Wow, this is a great breast pump. This is amazing. Like, are you kidding me? I got all of that in like 10 minutes. That's unbelievable. Yes, I'm going to save every last drop of my breast milk with this. This is amazing, you guys. It works so good. I'm so happy I found it. One of my friends was like, oh, you're breastfeeding? Oh, okay, well, you should get this like pump. I have an extra one upstairs. And I was like, no thanks. I'm so happy I brought a new one though. No offense, but that's how I found out about it, from a friend. And I was just telling her how I was just at a park trying to breastfeed, and everybody was looking at me like a little strange, like, you don't do the bottle, you don't pump? And I was just like, no, I like to bond. And I was thinking about it, like, I do like to bond, but I do like to make things convenient and easier for me. So, and I'm leaking like crazy on my other breast. So somebody invented this miracle thing that's very affordable. I've seen some as low as $10 all the way up to $20. I purchased mine on Amazon. I see that they have it at Target and Walmart. It's all about saving every drop of your breast milk. That's what their slogan is. And you know, I was at the park at a birthday party, and I had to pull out my breast, of course, and I cover it up myself to breast pump. And all the moms were looking at me like how inconvenient that is. You don't breast pump and da-da-da, you know. And I was just thinking to myself, like, you know what, maybe it's time to look for a breast pump. But I didn't want to do like one you had to plug up or plug it into your car or some kind of machine, you know. So I was just thinking like, this one is so convenient. Like, my friend was like, yeah, you just put it on your other breast, and as you're stimulating the other breast with your baby or a breast pump, that it'll automatically leak into this on the other side of your breast. So that makes sense. So you got the baby here and you got this one here, you know. So pretty excited about that. So I could save every drip of my milk from my breast. Why not? So let's see what this is about. Oh, this is BPA and BPS free. Probably like, you know, out of special materials that's healthier, you know. It even has like a little description on the side of the box of how to place it on your chest. It comes with a strap and some instructions and a stand. Oh, cool. I guess that's the little stand. It'll go like that. As you see, I haven't even used it. I haven't even took it out of the package. I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. Let's put this on my lip. Let's see. Okay, so let's get this puppy out of here. But yeah, so I was at my friend's house and she was like, you know what, you need to get this breast pump. Let me get you one. And I was like, no. I'll get my own, you know. And to find out, it is very affordable. I think I said that 3,000 times already. But this sucks a table so it won't fall over or leak, you know. So that's kind of cool. And then I guess this is kind of the lid. Not like a sturdy lid, but it's good to like keep it clean a little bit, you know. And then you got a little buckle thing. I guess you can buckle it down closer to your chest because it has like a little lip, little tiny hook right here. So it's gonna go through right around your neck or crisscross around your chest. And I can't wait to see this thing work. Oh, and it even breaks it down to like how much milk is coming out. It has the little numbers on the side, and it's different brands to buy. Doesn't have a smell or anything, the plastic, and I don't think it's going to irritate my chest, but I am going to try it and let you guys know, you know. So it's like a suction. All right, so you see how it's like in an angle, you guys? So it's just gonna go on the breast like this, but you want to make for sure this is pointing down so it can leak in to there to the bottom. You don't want to hold it like this, then the milk is just going to be sitting here and it's going to seep throughout. So you're gonna make sure you gather it like this. Now it's time to pump. I have to see how much breast milk the breast pump can give me, right? Are you ready? Are you ready? I think he's ready, you guys. He's ready. He's ready. He's a big eater, right? Everybody, this is Shakai. Say hey. Hi. And that's Shadiah. And I'll put their Instagram there. Look on mommy's hair. Look on mommy's hair. Mommy's hair. Mommy's hair. Out, eat, out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So I'm gonna put them on the right side of my breast and then put the suction on the left, only the left, and just keep it on there the whole time I'm breastfeeding, and I'll time it for 10 minutes and see how much I can produce, how much milk I can produce for you, right? Mwah. Mwah. We just got done breastfeeding, and I got like that much milk. That's a lot, you guys, for just the one side breast. So this works really amazing. It was a little painful if you push this too hard on the breast. You gotta push it down like this, like pinch it, and then it'll start sucking it from right here on the top. And the harder you pinch it, harder it'll suck, and then it will release, and then you do it again when you're ready. And that's how it gathers the milk and sucks it out of the nipple and everything. We want to say thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up, yeah. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
See you.
Bye. See you. Okay, bye. See you.
Oh, really? Bye-bye?
Bye.
Mm-hmm.